Say it with me. Luxury. With a splash of private exclusivity. Today I'm showing you a Nysa Hotel, and this beautiful hotel is hidden away in this unassuming alley, and I cannot wait to show you what's installed in this beautiful property. Next to the lobby we have Leaf, and Leaf is open from 8 o'clock in the morning and last order is 11:30 at night. You can get some drinks here, including coffee and of course some food too. This hotel offers sleek lines, stylish decor and a splash of drama. Sleepy elevator music? Check. These are big elevators. And check in the elevator lobby, they even have detail here against the wall and they're all different. Even the carpets in the corridors feel nice. I am in room 702 and this is a one-bedroom veranda pool suite. It is a beautifully elegant living space down here, and upstairs is my private pool and veranda. This really is a spacious room, and oh wow, look at this. Thank you so much guys, this is great. They must know I really love my cheese. And some wine. Oh, well, we might as well take this because I know exactly where I'm going to be digging into this wine tonight. Right over here. Here we have capsule coffee and a stocked bar fridge and mini bar. Now get this, there are 9 available power sockets in this living room alone. There are some wonderful design features in this living room too. And down here you have a view of the public swimming pool. And look at this stylish bedroom. Did you notice the ceiling? How it like tapers up there? That really adds a very cozy vibe to this suite. And check this out. They have a Marshall speaker. Do you know how expensive those things are? Check out this book. This is Bangkok shop houses, which is like quite the thing in Bangkok. And I had a page through this book. It's actually like really interesting. And through here we have another view of the swimming pool downstairs. There's another 8 available power sockets in this bedroom, plus 3 USB power supplies, plus another 3 USB Type-C power supplies. I have double vanities in here with an assortment of bathroom amenities. They use Bulgari products here. And there's the shower, which is really spacious. And of course there's this beautiful bathtub. They even supply a bath bomb, and there's bath salts too. There is plenty of wardrobe space in this room, perfect for long-term stays. And I really like these safes, they are way better than the traditional front-loading safes. And there's even a shelf up here too, on both sides actually. Despite this beautiful space down here, I think the real wow is upstairs. They even have a fan up here, which is great and very thoughtful of them. I cannot tell you how many times I've reviewed hotels with beautiful spaces like this, but then it's just so hot that you don't want to be up here. So that was a great feature they added for this suite. Now before we get crazy with the view, there's a few things I want to point out. Nice plant up here, love that. There's an ashtray, so I assume you're allowed to smoke up here. Inside this cupboard we have some pool towels. There's more on the other side too. How thoughtful is this? There's a bar fridge, yes, with some more mini bar products, but there's also cold water for you. We have a table with 2 chairs, and there's 2 deck chairs with more pool towels. The side we're facing now is actually away from the center of the city. Yeah, I know you would never say it, right, judging from all of these buildings here around us. And again, down here we have the main swimming pool, and my bedroom and living room is directly underneath me right now. This space over here, apparently they use this for functions now. At the moment, it seems like I'm the only one up here. I don't know if you understand how exclusive this feels. I mean, we are surrounded by high-rise buildings. Bangkok is really built up. And to have this level of luxury in the middle of the city really means a lot. Oh wow, these are actually really, really comfortable. Whoa, this is nice. Could totally fall asleep on here. And this fan, isn't this fan really cool, huh? It's so stylish. Now there are many rooms in this hotel, but there's only 2 of these veranda suites. The other one is here next to me. And then there's also even a better suite, which are those 2 over there. Those are the Nysa veranda suites. So yeah, they already said that next time I come, I can have one of those and show you that. This water is great, and this pool is surprisingly deep for a private pool. And I quite like the view too. So how private is it up here? Can you skinny dip? No, I don't think so. There's quite a lot of buildings around you, but also there's this Nysa Hotel which is right over there. In keeping with the power sockets in this hotel suite, there's another at least 3 available power sockets up here on the veranda.
Already packing.
This is the pool area. This pool closes at 8 p.m. already, which is why I'm so happy that I have my private pool up there, which is of course open 24 hours. But it's really nice down here. I think what's also great about this pool is that you definitely will be getting some sun here, but you can also get some shade. There's plenty of umbrellas around here too.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
It is quite hard to believe that there is a whole city out here, but by this pool area it is very quiet. I think these buildings really block all the noise coming from outside. Plus they play some nice music here. It's nice and chilled here.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living.
I also ordered myself a Aperol Spritz. Oh, and here it comes. Right on time. Oh, that looks beautiful. Thank you.
This is what we waited for.
This fitness center is quite big and it's open 24 hours. You can't see it now because it's dark out there, but the view of the fitness center is the smoking section. It's quite ironic. The smoking section is more popular than the gym. I'm the only one in the gym and it's like 7 people out there smoking. I'm watching myself here on YouTube on the treadmill screen. By the way, there's also wireless charging right over here. Catch you later. I just came back from the restaurant downstairs. It's called Kwann. I got some leftovers. I'm so happy because wow, food there is super, super tasty.
Baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out.
I see that turn down service was here. They put some tea out for me. And in here we have some Thai desserts. Ah, nice.
What a waste, what a crime, what a time and ash.
It doesn't quite feel like I'm in a hotel room right now. It feels more like I'm at home. I feel so comfortable, but a very nice home, like a penthouse on top of a condo with my private pool, right above the hustle and bustle and the infamous nightlife of Bangkok, yet you can't hear a thing coming from down below. And this Marshall speaker is great. I didn't realize it has a battery in it, so just unplug it and bring it up here to the pool. So easy to connect. The sound coming from there is great. It's really nice, this area. It's so nice. It's very stylish, and with that beautiful fan over there, the speaker, the pool.
Happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary.
Good morning. I can now report that this bed is great. Very comfortable bed, yes. I had a good sleep. Once you turn off these lights and close these curtains, there's no light seeping in here. It's pitch black in this room and very quiet. Perfect for a great sleep. I feel like I'm craving water today. I think I had too much of that wine last night. The bed is made differently though. For a while then last night I was trying to figure out how to open the bed, unless there was a wine too. And these Bulgari products, they are so good. Everything here is great. The only thing that I didn't really like that much were the towels actually. They're just good, they're not great. I was expecting nice, soft and fluffy towels. It's 9:25 and I feel like I could actually do with some more sleep. But yesterday already I ordered some breakfast for my suite, so I'm waiting for that to arrive. Should be in 4 minutes.
A few moments later.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm great, thank you. Smells good. What is your name?
Pooh.
Pooh.
Yes.
Kun Pooh, you just brought my breakfast. Where's my breakfast? Oh, there it is. I have to go fetch my breakfast. So obviously this is the floating breakfast and it's great. Got a lot of cut fruit on here. I opted for iced coffee, orange juice, there's some toast pastries. We have some scrambled eggs on toast, bacon, sausages, potatoes and cherry tomatoes. Oh, these cherry tomatoes look so beautiful. They look like grapes. You need your sunblock for this breakfast. You don't want to have your breakfast in the blazing sun. You can hide out here in the shade. It's now 10 a.m. and this is how much shade I have here in this pool. So that's good to know. I think this is great for people more into a long-term stay because you kind of want to spend all your time over here. It's such a nice space this. At the same time as a tourist, you want to be out there and explore. I kind of feel like I'm missing hooks though, or towel rails. You kind of have to like drape your towels over the chairs like this. So I think they might have missed that part. Everything else is very thoughtfully done. I'm at Sage waiting on my lunch. This is actually the same venue as where I was last night at Kwann Restaurant. They use the same venue for 2 restaurants. Sage in the daytime, which is open for breakfast, as well as for lunch. And then they convert the space into Kwann in the evenings. Let me first tell you what I have here before I tell you the price. You're not going to believe this. This is somtam, not a traditional way, no. Somtam is the very famous papaya salad. Everybody knows somtam. But this is done in a roll. So this is my starter. For main, I have pad thai, probably the most famous dish for foreigners. Pad thai with some grilled chicken too. And for dessert, I have a banana spring roll with vanilla ice cream. I got my eyes on that. And this is a welcome drink, which is a ginger pineapple drink. I think it changes, it's not the same every day. And you can also have coffee or tea, so I opted for a coffee. Now how much is this? 450 baht for 2 drinks and 3 dishes. I think that's really, really good value for money. It doesn't quite taste like somtam to me, but it is delicious and very refreshing. That is good pad thai. I was happily on my way to my room. I swear to God, I didn't know about this. There's complimentary ice cream from 2 to 3. I just happened to be walking past here at the right time. I'll have salted caramel, please. There's 4 flavors to choose from, and there's toppings too. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think I must go find her a bigger cup though. I can't believe I'm so lucky. I really didn't know about this. Finally, the outside. Very quickly, over there, that's where the Nysa Hotel is, and we're about to go left, and then right there at the corner, turn left again. There's also a 7-Eleven right here on this corner if you want to buy some cheap beers and snacks. So that's the 7-Eleven I just pointed out, and then there's another one right there. It seems like there's definitely a couple of pubs around here, and I've noticed Italian restaurants as well as Indian restaurants, Jamaican restaurant, and there's even a German beer house. And right ahead of us in the main road is the BTS Skytrain 2. We're pretty close to the Nana BTS station. There's some massage shops here, 3 of them right next to one another. And we are approaching the main road and you can see how busy it gets here. So there you have it. This is the intersection of Sukhumvit Road and Soy 11 where the hotel is located. And of course, there's another 7-Eleven. There's a lot of action down below on the ground level. The sidewalks are busy, there are vendors selling things, there are a lot of pedestrians, there's trees in the way and telephone poles and a whole bunch of stuff. That is why the skywalks, these are a good way of getting around here. Oh great, and there's a market nearby. Just down the road from the hotel, and it's 300 baht for a massage. So I'm getting a massage at this place. It's very comfortable, nice chairs, feels nice and soft, and also got a nice view because you can see outside there. It's like a lot of people here. It's really nice to chill inside here and just watch all the people go by. That was a good massage. That was probably one of the best massages I ever had. I am really so happy to be back at the hotel. So now you saw what it looks like out there. It's busy. Not so much right here where the hotel is, but if you walk 200 meters, wow, it's like super, super busy. A lot of characters out there, a lot of different businesses. I couldn't wait to get back to my hotel and to get back to this suite. I prefer the comfort of this elevated environment as opposed to out there on the street. Make no mistake, it's really interesting. You should go walk around for sure here. There's a lot to see. Good morning. It's 6:46 and I'm off to breakfast to go show you what the breakfast buffet looks like. And this is why I want to come down early for breakfast, as much as I hate waking up early, because I want to show you how nice the buffet looks. And the food looks good here, very good. The breakfast looks great with all of the favorites like roast potatoes, really good sausages it seems, roast vegetables, bacon and gyoza. There's also a variety of bread. They have waffles, flapjacks, croissants and other pastries. There's also some cakes. And yes, something new, the way they dispense the jams and honey. And there's a whole bunch of salads which look absolutely divine. There's a whole variety of Asian foods with noodles and rices and curries too. They have a noodle station. And as for the egg station, they have a variety of fried eggs, boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, and they have eggs Benedict. That's what I ordered, my go-to favorite. These Nürnberger sausages are really good. And they got some bread pudding. What do I think of this hotel? I have no complaints. I think the hotel is really great. The food is fantastic, the service is very good. It's a beautiful hotel. The area here certainly is a very vibrant area. There's a lot to go and see and do. You have easy access to the BTS SkyTrain station, which can take you many other places too. As for this particular suite I'm in, wow, I like it a lot. What I really like about this suite is there are so many places where you can sit or lie and chill. Down below and of course up here where the pool is too. Having the convenience of your own private pool is such a blessing. Way up here it feels very exclusive. So right now this is the 8th floor, and as far as I know the only thing on the 8th floor are the 4 private swimming pools. Not even the rooms of those are on the 8th floor. They are 1 floor down on the 7th floor. I had a great time here. I really did. I relaxed. I even laid in bed last night and watched TV. It's something I never do. I'm always busy on my laptop, busy editing videos. But I actually relaxed here at this hotel. I can't get enough of this space over here. In fact, I'm going to get in there right now. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and see you in the next video. Happy travels.